Before you click off, flag and spam fuck yourself in the comments, because you may assume this to be a pedophile supporting video. I'll ask of you to watch the first 30 seconds. Yes, it is that easy. But why? I'm Kasu. This is not the kind of content you would normally find on this channel, but it is what it is. Even though I am rambling off of a script, I can't promise you a structured video, because I'm pretty stupid. I also want to apologize to the people I am supposed to edit their content for, after taking a hiatus of 6 months to just draw in my spare time, but this topic has supreme importance to me. I absolutely hate how it lives rent-free in my head. I would like to throw in an already known issue that appears to be almost normalized online, but not everywhere, of course. As it's known by today, Discord is known for the oddities that occur within dating servers. Often those servers are used to accumulate views for one's channel by outsmarting the other person who seeks out a romantic relationship on servers. Maybe while being serious.
How you doing?
I'm sorry.
What's wrong?
I'm sorry.
Please have a seat.
Or by making fun of the individual without them knowing.
An Italian boy?
Italian?
I fucked a young pussy!
No, that doesn't fix the issue, you see.
For others, it is an actual option to mingle. On the surface, this is funny, I admit. My humor is broken, and I laugh about every stupid bit, be it a racial slur, a fart noise, or a video that cuts off shortly before a serious accident could happen. Whatsoever. A joke is only funny while it stays one. But we will not dive into a dating server, nor will we interact with an individual. Now we should take a look at what it is the pedophiles actually want in those servers. Because this is not a funny video. I admit, I like NSFW content, just like some guys or some girls. So I kept scrolling through disboard.org just to see if there's a server to my liking. At some point, a server named r@te or raid, not sure, appeared on the recently bumped servers with the caption, "All the spicy stuff is here." It only took a click before I faced a near channeler server that links to various other servers with names of very obvious intentions. Not even the icon attempted to hide such. Even entire communities linking to Telegram were posted. To appetize newcomer, you are given previews featuring underage girls, underage boys, boys at the literal start of their puberty having sexual interactions with a woman in her 40s. There are no limits. Even now, you can find the servers the exact same way I showed you. This happens in the web, given as day and night. No deep web required, definitely no dark web either. Once I realized the purpose of the server I left, not able to find it again, as Disboard.org searches by tags instead of names to give a greater range of communities to join from. Surely it is possible with the browser history, but I do not dare try. And even then, I believe it already has been taken down, just to be replaced by another server that does the exact same thing. It took me a moment to realize that there had to be more to it. Within about 2 minutes, I came across pages of servers with the same purpose. I joined all the servers I could join, began to report them based on what I've seen, because you can't just ban a server because it looks sus, you know, you have to actually check it. But only 3 disappeared, or are hidden from me specifically now. Either way, they keep reappearing because they are proxies, not the core of the issue. You will encounter the occasional person that attempts to joke about the servers or shame them. Obviously no one will care. Everyone is a pedophile that seeks the thrill, of course. But how do you get more if you only have a preview? Either you share the server's link a specified number of times, boost the server, or donate exactly €5 to the owner. Although it depends on the owner how much you have to donate. I've seen a price up to 20s. This isn't just an ordinary pedophile ring. It is a market with an entry ticket. Although it might just be the very same way it works on Facebook. I wouldn't know. I'm not gonna pay for that shit. I'm not gonna spread the link around. What's the point in that? The NSFW channels don't even ask if you want to see it or if you're allowed to see it. Because the admins know what you're here for and they want to profit as quickly as possible before the server disappears. Deep inside, I wish it was something like a federal agency pulling off a stunt to capture multiple potential predators at once. But I doubt it. If you want to join those servers, don't. Don't harass anyone either. It's not worth it, and it will only cause you more trouble than them. Alright, enough pictures. Here's some boring ass gameplay, as a normal commentary channel would do. You know I'm not a commentary channel, but fuck it. Besides, if their accounts get banned, they can always just make a new one. Discord will not check if you're 18 or anything. Discord will not check if it's the same IP. Even if you're IP banned, you can surely outwalk this anyway. The admins and mods have responsibility, because Discord does not have the resources to do it themselves. And now we're here. I would love to say, go and mass report all of them, but it's not gonna do anything. After an attempt to contact Discord's Twitter, as I recall this to be the only way to contact them at all, I decided to make this video, seeing how no response has appeared after 3 days or more. Depending on when this video is uploaded, it could be even more. Of course, Discord has been contacted as well via Twitter, but I am more forgiving if I don't receive an answer in time, because they have more people that probably just annoy the shit out of them. But by the time I'm reading this script right here, a week has passed, so I don't think there's any hope now. What saddens or maybe frightens me, perhaps both, is how it is not just adults that join. It is teens themselves that seek out the action. Mostly guys, but sometimes girls, partially also contribute content of themselves, or stuff they collected from direct messages with other people prior to their entrance. They aren't pedophiles per se because of the laws. Maybe they will look back on it in a few years, maybe tomorrow. But right now, they are in a pretty fucking good way there. I never fully understood how a pedophile works. Is it the smoothness of the skin, the innocence? Is it really just their age? Multiple people have asked in the service if someone has the video of a person where age is verbally given. How does that matter? Do you feel as if you have the upper hand? Or does the number itself get you a solid heart? What do you contribute to society? Have you ever tried to function in a relationship before, or is I fucking a child easier to you? I'm not a pure person. I'm not a white knight. I'm an edgelord who posts memes that some people find funny, but they're just edgy. And if I am the one who has to point it out, it's kinda sad, isn't it? But oh, in some states the age of consent is below 18. Even I myself are 15 years old. What's the matter? Good question. So? Should I have posted nudes when I was 14, the age of consent in Germany? I do not subscribe to a simple mindset like that. And putting that thought to the side, it isn't even legal. Even if it was, it would be very fucking gross. There are pictures of children beaten and partially just literally old bulgy men coming into them, and they will be scarred for life or some shit, I don't fucking know. But it's not gonna do them any good. You can tell they aren't enjoying it. So why are you enjoying it? What is the amount of shame a pedophile feels after doing the act for the first time? After the 5th time? After the 10th time? Does it get less? Do they stay ashamed? Do they realize what's gonna happen if they get caught? What will their family think? Thoughts like that roam my head for the past 2, 3, I don't even know how many weeks. And I'm just very glad to spurt them out in the video just so I've got rid of them. A boy's puberty in the earliest can normally start with 10. Girls even 1 year sooner. You need to realize that not every given content, even if the literal child gives consent, happens under circumstances that simply shouldn't exist. If you believe you are on your way to become a pedophile, or maybe if you even are aware that you are one, go seek a therapist. Don't say, oh, I'll do it tomorrow. If you are, let's say, 17 years old and are on an app like Bottled where you can find people by throwing out a virtual message into the ocean, only to receive an answer. On such an app you can't interact with people below the age of 18 once you've become 18. Don't say, oh, I will change my age when I'm older, so I can still chat with people around my age. This only deepens your fascination with them. I don't know why, but grow up. Do it now. Get an appointment. Do something with your life that's not gonna ruin it. I may just be a literal fucktwat guy in a video talking to you, but you know I'm right. And I hate putting out that I am right, because often I am not. Explicit content created without consent and illegality does not belong anywhere. Children as young as that, they don't really think about it. Or they are persuaded into doing things that aren't even sure what they mean yet. This isn't even just exploring the body. It is abuse. Speaking of age, a person is not allowed to be signed into Discord while under the age of 13. Yet the amount of 11-year-olds or anything around it just around the system isn't that odd. There are kindergarten servers literally around that concept for people below the age of 13. The servers are breaking rules by just existing. Also yes, I am aware that I am being aggressively biased right now, and surely I am wrong here or there. But it can't just be me. I want to bring attention to the existence of these communities. I want these communities gone. No clue how this can be done. Not successfully and permanent, at least. Yes, sure, you have websites where you can report these servers, but these servers will only reappear. The core and backups are always somewhere else. But if this is what the FBI agent in our computer that is memed about is for, I wish there were to be many more of them. Steps have been taken before, such as notifying Discord via Twitter and reporting servers with absolute evidence, but it happens not to be enough. Overall, of course, I am not a very smart person, thus I am clueless how one could do more than simply tell Discord and wait, seeing how Discord doesn't even really want to respond to me. If you create a server that revolves around getting nudes from underage individuals, then it doesn't matter how old you are part of the issue too. You could be even 11, it doesn't matter. While I do not like children actually all that much, I have still a few friends that would be the perfect prey for a predator in this scenario, and I wish to keep them away from this. Surely this has been mentioned before somewhere else, but please spread this video, in hopes of other people becoming aware. Maybe a bigger YouTuber or celebrity, I don't know, sees this video and wants to spread it, makes a video on it. Or you do a video on it, I don't know. As long as you think it helps, do it. No matter what it is, ignoring this is not an option. Thank you. Have a nice day.